All right, let's talk about it. Traded yesterday. First trade of the month. I lost. Whose fault was it? It was mine. Okay. Oh my god, what are we doing? Trade of 8. Come here. Why are we doing this? I didn't blow the account. Still have 1,300 to play with. So activate trading view because for some reason it was unactivated. All right. So going into the day, I was more bearish than bullish, although I thought that there was a chance that we could go up. But I would have rather went up, but I thought we would have went down. Okay, so this is what happened. Okay, going into the day, I wanted to see some sort of anything. Let's go to the 5 minute, so it actually shows a little bit of actually what's going on. Okay, let me clear some room for my mouse so I can actually move around. Okay, so first thing I noticed, right, opened up kind of ass, right? This is not really much. I wanted to wait for the 9 a.m. To close to see how it would close on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, and we closed. We were bullish on the 1 hour, and then we closed bearish on the 9 a.m. or the 8 a.m. candle. We also closed bearish on the 4 hour candle, which made me believe fully that there was no way we were going to go for buys at that point in time. We have followed everything. Let's keep following the trend. So we went down. I had this big equilibrium pop up because we didn't sweep this. This was the pre-market. So technically I could have put in a 1 minute, but it wasn't that clear because we were in 1 hour uptrend. I didn't want to do a 5 minute continuation trade. So we broke structure. I wanted to get like a good equilibrium. I could have done a 1 minute, but I just didn't like how the chart was looking, so I wanted to get a bigger retracement, higher time frame retracement. We came up, inverse this fair value gap after we hit equilibrium, so I wanted to wait for a good breakdown. I didn't want to wait for 1 minute confirmation. I wanted to wait for 5 minute confirmation. And we broke structure to the downside on the 5 minute. Everything aligned. I have new rules. Let's pull up the rules. Okay, these are my new rules. Okay. High time frame support. We were in sales at that point in time. Yes. 3 second clarity. That means if it takes 3 seconds. I count 1, 2, 3. All right, and if it doesn't seem like it's the trade, I'm gonna wait. Profit or ego. Is this to make money, or is this to try to be right? This wasn't to try to be right, anything like that. Emotional state. Results of the last 3 trades. I felt pretty zen. I felt chill. And the last 3 trades doesn't really matter to me because we're in a new month. Stops and TPs are correct. I thought the stops and TPs felt fine. What I didn't realize is that they weren't. Okay. I thought this was pretty good, but this was good as well. And if I would have put it up here, I would have won. But this seemed like the only trade. And the reason, okay, so you can either, with the strategy that I use, I either keep my stops tight like this for the newest high, or I do the full retracement. Usually I do the full retracement, which is that, and I should have done that because not only was I looking for a bigger push, but I was waiting for a bigger retracement as well, which means I should have put it up here. Okay, this should have been the trade. But I was wrong. I'm put it there. How much did I lose? I lost a little bit. I don't remember. $568.74. I wanted to risk 500. We had a pretty big push. I should have. It's fine. This is how much I want to risk. I want to risk 1% per trade, so it's fine. We're down 250 on the eval, but this should have been the trade right here. Should have been a 1.2 to 1. Next time I know for today that this shouldn't be the trade. We should at least get to the full retracement or the entire move. This still would have been a valid trade as well. So this was my bad. Okay, shouldn't have done that. Should have been up to here, at least. Not to here, to here. But let's write that down, okay? So I didn't do the after portion for this. Also, daily P&L, 568.74 minus 568.74. Okay. But I'll improve tomorrow. Stop loss placements. Okay, after. It was a good trade. Oh shit. I just put my stop loss too tight. It shouldn't have been there because it didn't follow my rules. Sorry, that's my thing telling me that it's time to trade. Like time to look at the charts and start I guess no, because my stops and my take profits were not correct. So my stops weren't correct. Okay. One sentence reflection. Got to pay attention more to my stop placements. And I'm thankful for my friends. Thankful for my friends. That's what I'm thankful for. Okay, so let's go into the day and see what is going on. Let's see. Okay. Bearish. We are bearish. Okay, well that was already swept, but yeah, hold on. Let's go to the front here. Okay, we have this high, this high, this high, this high. We have, ooh, okay. We could potentially be making a bullish SMT, but I wouldn't want, oh shit, wrong one. But I wouldn't want to use that as my confirmation until that 9 a.m. close because, I mean, we'd have to see. I'd need to break structure to the upside. I mean, there really isn't much else unless I want to go down to here for these TPs, which I'm going to. Let's actually mark these as well. Low here, low here. We already passed them. Low here, low here, low here. Although I don't think that we're gonna go all the way down to this one. That's 2.5%. Motherfucker, we're going to November lows, motherfucker. This is a pretty big retracement here from the past 2 days. Okay. mark these just in case as well, just like I did on the other chart. Okay. Although we already passed this one, so that one is invalid. Hourly. What's going on in the hourly here? Okay. This high right here. This high right here. This high right here. This high right here. You have this high. This high. This high. This high. And lows, we'd have to go back to here to see the lows, but looks like we marked almost all of them. Just that one needs to be marked. And then if we go back here, we have this one, and some of these ones, like this one. No, not even that one. Okay. Looks good on this chart. I mean, I don't see much else that I could be marking here. And I don't see why we'd go higher than this unless we fully complete the BPA, but I mean, okay. We could be making a lower time frame bullish SMT here with London lows. I want to be paying attention to that, because there is a chance that we could do that, but we'll have to see. My bias today is most likely bearish because we are in a mega downtrend. But there is a chance I'd be wanting to look for. Where's the 4 hour? I'm gonna label this one. Let me label it. Okay, no. This one I want to be labeled check 9 a.m. 4 hour close. If above, go for buys. Did it not save? Oh, it's in white. There we go. And this one for the 4 hour. It's this one. Just a little note for me. Ah, fuck. Alright, well, we'll just do this. Hey. Alright. Seems good. Alright. Woo! My bad. It seems like it's it, though. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I'll let y'all know if I trade today, if I don't. If I do trade, you will know. Love y'all. Grapes. Peace out.